Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can put GIF in your Steam account. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy putting a GIF in your account. What you need to do is just simply open up web browser, and right over here, you just got to type in GIF and you'll see many GIFs over here. So you can use any of them. So for example, I'm just going to use, let's say this one GIF right over here. And as you can see, it's a moving image. So I'm just going to press on save it just as a image directly. So if it says WEP file, you don't have to download it. Just try again and try to find another picture if it's not WEP. So let's just try to find another GIF that's not like that. So it's like this one. Let's try it. And it's JPEG. So just gotta make sure that it's JPEG. So just press on save. Once it's saved, what you need to do is go to this easygif.com and you need to resize it. What you just need to do, just simply press on choose file, and over here we're just gonna choose this, and it's just gonna upload in a few seconds. So yeah, so here, as you can see, if it's not uploading, what you can do is just simply directly drag it into it like this. You can do it by just directly dragging the image right over here. So try and check if it's uploaded, and here we go. Now the image has been uploaded. Now you can just simply resize it. Just put the width of 750 right over here, and after that just press on resize image and then press save after that. Once you press on save, the image has been saved. Now what you need to do is just simply open up Steam. Once the Steam is open, what you just go over to your account and just go to profile. And if you press on profile, it'll bring you to this area. You just gotta scroll down until you see the option of artwork. Just go ahead and press on that. And over here, you just gotta go ahead and press on upload artwork, and then not a specific game. And then you just gotta give a title to your artwork. So I'm just gonna give it a name, and then choose file, and then choose where you have downloaded it. So here we go. Now here we have our GIF. Now what we need to do is just give it a description. So it's up to you what description you want to give it. And then about ownership, if it's your own GIF, you just I clarify to that I've created this artwork, and then press save and continue. And then yeah, you just gotta make sure that tell them that you have created this. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video, and then once it's done, it's gonna show you something like this, and here you go. Now you have successfully put a GIF in your Steam account. So yeah, this is it. I hope this actually helps you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.